If you have painted cabinets, they probably look like this, especially around the sink area. And they used to look like this. I'm here to say they can again soon. And this is something you could do yourself or call someone like me. The problem is, someone like me is really hard to find because most people would tell you they have to be replaced. All it takes is a little patience and about an hour of your time, and your cabinets could be looking new again. Now, it's no secret it's very easy to clean your cabinets, but doing so safely so you don't cause more damage to the finish is the key. That's why I use this kitchen cabinet and furniture cleaner. It's specifically designed for these types of finishes to not leave any streaks or shines or residues. There's no added waxes or polishes or fragrances. It's plant-based and it's a neutral pH, so you don't have to worry about putting this on your finish. It also comes with this cleaning tool, scrub brush, that's perfect for agitating the surface, gets in all the nooks and crannies, makes cleaning an absolute breeze. The biggest mistake you could do is use a sponge or a scrub daddy or something like that. It is just far too abrasive and you will scratch your cabinet finishes. This brush doesn't scratch. This cleaner doesn't harm the finish. And the best part is you can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in my bio so you guys can find it. But I swear by this, I use it literally every day. Now, wherever you see the worn edges, like on the corners and stuff, you don't need to go overkill and spray down the whole door. So I like to use this little artist brush. It gets the paint exactly where I want it. So then I go ahead, mask off the door, and I mix up my paint in this Pre-Eval sprayer. This thing works amazing because I don't have to set up my whole spray system. It's like a one-time use for me, and I throw it away after. I don't have to clean it up. I'll be honest, it is a little finicky at the start, but once you get the hang of it and you thin out the paint to the right consistency, you could do a pretty good job with it. Now, the bottom of the doors is the worst spot typically because the water actually drips down and sits underneath it and you don't see it. So it doesn't really dry out. You don't even see to wipe it. So it gets really bad down here. We're just going to take some sandpaper, sand it down until it's completely smooth. And this door in particular had a big gouge out of it. So I'm going to use this epoxy putty to rebuild the corner, sand that out smooth, and then it's ready for primer. A couple coats of primer, a couple coats of paint, and with this we're just feathering the paint out to blend into door. Now, it's pretty much the same process throughout the rest of the repair, but because people on TikTok tend to have the attention span of a squirrel, I wanted to keep this video short. So if you want to see the full video in more in-depth and more detail, go to my YouTube. It's the same name as on here. And thanks for watching. Bye.